Right, what's happening everyone? Welcome back. I've already started, if I'm honest. I've already got rid of a few bits, but I've got a van full, pretty much, of so much random stuff. Bags of stuff and boxes of this, and I'm just trying. Look, it's ridiculous. Hang on, let me step back. I don't know what's in it. I've just opened this, and you've got 3 brass taps, lovely, and an extendable putter, which is quite cool, which I'm keeping. I don't even like golf, but I mean, this bag, as well as being a bag, is actually a Ralph Lauren bag as well. And would they make fake Ralph Lauren bags? Probably, because I make fake everything. But at the minute, it's my bag that I'm keeping all my good stuff in. It's going to get dirty because I'm putting it on the scrapyard floor, but it is what it is. I did have this, so I've got some alley and some stainless sorted out already. But that bag looks like it's got brass lamp in it. I've got most of this, I say most of it, quite a bit of it off of my house clearance man. And I'm just literally going through it. I've got my magnet and I've got my cutters, so I'm just going through it, getting rid of all the crap. It's going to take me a little while to go through it, I think. But if you're willing to stay here and watch, you'll see what treasures are in here. Because honestly, there could be all sorts in this van. Because it's literally come out of an old lady's house who died. And the family have literally just left everything. And asked my man to just go and get rid of it all. So that's what he done. I took all the metal, or most of it, that he didn't want to keep for himself, and he got rid of all the other stuff. Right, pots. Right, that's crap. That's crap. That's stainless. That's steel. That's going to be steel. That's going to be steel. Box of screws. We don't want them. Sorry for the noise, but Cam's on one. Ali, a menu. I've got a feeling I've got a rubbish bag here. Yes, I have. We don't want that. The scrapyard can have it. On me. See you later. What's in here? We've got a harmonica. Reminds me of Free Willy. We'll keep that because you never know. What's in this bag? What is in this bag of rubbish? These old tins, look. Queen Elizabeth. A bowl, another tin, steel, tins, full up tin, probably nails, all sorts of bits and bobs, sewing stuff. My little girl's into fashion and sewing, so she can have that. She will actually love me. Do you know what? She's a hoarder, she's like me, but she will love little things like that. She makes stuff with her sewing machine, does textiles at school. She's going to university to do textiles. What she really, really wants to do is work in the West End costume designing. So all that crap, she loves it. Look at them little spanners, look. They're pretty cool, aren't they? They look like they're coming handy. We'll keep them. I've got a cement mixer in the back as well. I say the back, in the front, I mean. Right, it's just brass. Yes, it is. Lovely. That'll be Ali. That's steel. That's stainless. That's crap. That could be brass. Little brass tortoise. We love the little brass tortoise. Stainless. 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 That's it. Looks to me like I'm going to have a whole kitchen here. Whatever this is brand new. Brand new, old school, made in England. Nothing's made in England anymore. It's magnetic, so it's crap. That looks to be, there's a very good chance that could be silver with the colouring of it. Silver plated. Oh, no, it had silver in it. Silver plated over what though? That will probably be copper. No idea. We're gonna tell them it's copper and see if we can get away with it. Right, the rest of that in there is crap. This the bane of my life. I saw this the other day. It had all the attachments. I've got the shovel, I've got the brush, I've got the lot, but it's magnetic. I was gutted. I honestly thought it was brass. Yeah, magnetic. Get off. Magnetic. Magnetic. That is a shame, that. That's not magnetic. That is. That's going to be brass then. That's a little bit of good news, I suppose. It might actually be alley. Let's see if it can unscrew it. Yeah, that's alley. Rollocks. Right, let's get some of this crap out. I've got a whole van bulkhead in here. Bed frames and virgin media box. That goes in the e-waste pile. Because my man, we collect the e-waste. That's what's in the e-waste bin. That looks like alley to me, you know. Lovely. I say lovely. It's not like it's worth millions. That's alley and all. I'm getting a decent stack of alley. Proper old tins, aren't they? Look. Horner. No idea. What's in the old toolbox? Rubbish. Oh, more tools. More tools. Box of screws. We don't want screws. I've got enough screws. Foam. That's aluminium. They're good ones. Made in China. Even back then, they must be bad. Another level. I'm sure that was a band. What's this? Glasses. Right, more shit. I mean rubbish, sorry. God, I need some new cutters. I don't need new cutters. I've got about 30 pairs of cutters. I just always seem to have the crap ones around me. Right. That's great, even. Oh, I found this earlier. This old hammer. It's like brand new though. Brand new second hand. Lovely. Another bit of alley. Don't know what's in this bag. Rubbish. Oh, hold on. Oh, I wonder if they're any good for cutting cable with. Oh, like butter. Right, you're relegated. This was a good looking bag then. Oh, there's some nice tools in there, definitely. That's like brand new. Brand new second hand. Yep, we'll keep that. That can go in the door. Brand new pair of shears. Yeah, we might as well keep them in the door and all. Nice big stainless steel pot. Oh mate, they're the danglies there. The danglies. There's this for my big stainless steel pot. Ouch. Should we get this bulkhead out? Yeah, let's get this bulkhead. I'm going to lose them cutters, I reckon, though. Right, this bulkhead is obviously not a bulkhead. It's going to take some doing on my own, I think. It's not heavy, it's not good. Yeah, she blows. Oh, isn't it nice to have a bit of peace and quiet over here? It's a big bulkhead, you know. Right, let's get this washing machine out. actually first. I know what's in here and it's jank. It's a deep fat fryer full of oil. And we definitely don't want that spilling in the back. We're not even going to cut the lid off that. Bin. I kept this the other day, this taxi meter. But do you know what? That's brass. Very heavy. Brass. Any more of this brass? No. It's a real shame, that. Clutch. Bench drill. I'm not going to attempt to get the motor off. They're an absolute pain. But I will have the lead. That probably would go to Arnie Alley over here as well, but again, Arnie Alley isn't worth a carrot. So I'm not going to bother with that either. No stainless, probably not. Nope. Oh. Right, washing machine. That was the plan next. We'll have that motor out of that. But first I want the cop out and the broom back. Will my little axe get this out, or do I need the bloody sledgehammer? Oh. See, sometimes they just do as they're told, and other times they act like your wife. That was only a joke for all you ladies out there watching. Yep, she would definitely batter me if she heard me say it. I know you're all thinking it. She wouldn't all. Believe me, she would. I've actually got one of these. So this is a tent, like a camping heater. I bought it for my carp fishing. I bought it brand new, and I've never used it because a poor fella died last year in his bivvy through using one. He left it on overnight, and he died of carbon monoxide poisoning. It sucked all the oxygen out of his bivvy. He fell asleep in -2 weather. Didn't wake up again. Poor git. So I've never really had the bottle to put it on. I've never even taken it. It's still sitting indoors. Anyway, we have definitely at 10,000. We're 10,130 now. It just went ridiculous, and I can't thank you all enough. I just thought I'd mention that. I didn't want to go too much into it because I touched on it last time, and I didn't want to keep going on. But again, it's very appreciated. Means the world. It really does. Right, let's see what's in this air conditioning unit. Oh, I pierced it, didn't I? That was silly. We've got a couple of rads, nice. The air compressor can stay in here because they ain't worth having. But we'll have the rads. But what we'll do is we'll let it do it. So listen, everyone's going to whinge at me for releasing all this stuff as well into the atmosphere. Oh mate, what do you think everyone else does? What do you think all the scrapyards do? They do exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Don't judge. Oh, stinks and all. Car parts ain't decent, apart from the bucket. I do like a bucket. Right, you finished mucking about in there. Let's cut some of this out with my new cutters. Lovely. The thing is, I ain't got a drill, so we're going to have to take the sledgehammer to it to get the rads out, because they're worth not bad money. Or will my little axe work? Possibly. We'll get the sledgehammer out in a minute when we find it, rather than tapping it with a toffee hammer. Right, it looks like we're down through a load of gash now. Let's just get rid of some of this. Right, snipping. I went for a really important phone call and all, but it doesn't seem to be bloody coming. Get off. These are really, really good. I'm sure these are cut in plastic, like plastic PVC trim. I'm sure that's what they're for. But they're cut through cable. Splendid. Aluminium. Or for my American viewers, aluminum. Cam, you got to stop doing that.
Why are you doing that especially?
Yeah, well, thanks, mate. Oh, I forgot about that little loft ladder. That's aluminium too. Get out. I was keeping the bucket, but I just decided I don't want it. Scrapyard can have it. Nice like that. To be fair, guys, this is probably the only. What's it today? Monday, yeah. This is probably the only way I'm going to do this week, because I've decided that, well, I'm going to go fishing for the rest of the week, because, well, because I can. Really? I might go and do something Friday. We'll see. Where's my cutters gone? Oh, don't say that. I like them cutters on there. Tell you what, it's not that I'm not going to earn any money this week, because I have got. This isn't my only revenue. No, I'm not a drug dealer. I do quite a lot of work for my local tackle shop, which for those of you who don't know is the fishing tackle shop. And tomorrow morning I have got to get up at about 4:15, I think. Drive all the way down to the beach and go and get some worms for the shop. But that's about it. But I don't do that all the time. Normally I have somebody dig them for me, and then I sort of buy them off him and then sell them to the tackle shop. But sometimes I don't get involved, and sometimes he just sells them straight to the tackle shop. But either way, it helps us all out. I get a couple of quid out of it, I help my local tackle shop out, and I help my mate out for digging the worms. Everyone's a winner. don't normally go out and dig them myself, but the tides are really good, which should mean I should be able to get quite a few worms, so it's worth doing. I'm by far not a professional. Don't get me wrong, I do alright. I can do better than most at getting the numbers, but the two Darren and his dad will go. Ken, another absolute legend. So shout out to you, Ken, because I know you're watching. Well, they're mustard. Especially Ken, he taught Darren everything he knows. Isn't that right, Ken? Anyway, so yeah, that's that. But then I'm going fishing. This oven is knackered, man. Right, that's all non-ferrous stuff-ish. Yo! Give me 2 seconds, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm back.
I can just imagine having that conversation online.
I've just pushed play and all. I'll ask my old woman when I get in, see what she reckons.
Do you recognise this car?
Oh dear. I've got a cement mixer. My father-in-law's already nicked the legs off it because they're brand new, same as the pin, which I've got to save for him. That's probably quite handy, that. Probably. There's not a lot at the back, to be honest. It's more just well, rubbish up the back. I need the sledgehammer though, that's what I'm looking for. It's in here somewhere. Cutters. That's why it didn't work. Because it was hanging off. There she is. Have I just blocked them in? Oh. Oh, mate. Sorry, Bob, I'll get this out of your way.
I only got shit for back anyway.
Alright, nice one. Oh, do I want the motor off? Sorry, boys.
Man, this one, DVLA camps.
No, I don't know what you mean. That's not DVLA. Yeah.
Where's that go? Online?
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Fair play.
It adds to the weekly wages, lads.
Listen, something, isn't it, always?
Yeah, that definitely ain't got DVLA written on, is it? No.
No, you can't see that.
No. Exactly that. Yes. What is this DVLA you talk of?
What is it?
No idea.
Love it.
Well, that's a big cut.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Really dry gammon.
That's what I'm looking for, boys and girls.
Right, run them up here.
I'm getting out of the way of that. So I'll go wherever it likes.
Mr. Master, in on. Right, be careful what you showed him.
It's too late. I've already pierced it. It's too late.
No, because what you showed them. I don't want to know in there in a copper.
another one in there. Lovely. I think I've lost my cutters again. Finally, mate. Shit in it.
Can't be. I ain't got a lot. Can't really complain.
Right in the front. You got it, my boy. Get it gone.
If I had my drill, it would have been fine. You know how it is.
Bro, you already know. It's always the way. If you ain't got the right balls, you start beating it into the cuts in.
Yep, makes life a lot harder. Mate, that's poof. And then there's number 3. Is there 4? Is there another one underneath it? Yeah, proper.
Like, when you've got a little animal, it's a bit easy. You don't like.
Usually the tipper on that, didn't you, for that? You not got tip on at work?
No, we ain't got tippers.
Oh, cuntish. Oh. Yeah, yeah, cool. So that is, you just want to get it out. Huh? Yeah, I live in Twiddle, yeah. To be fair, I don't do much round here because it ain't worth it. Because there's 5 of yous driving about, so it ain't worth a wank. Not only that.
Hey, we don't find it worth a wank. I fuck off the Thames Link there.
Do you?
What,
and you get stuff up there as well?
Yeah, that's where I'm from, bro. That's my hometown. That's how I know it like the back of my hand.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
I walk in and out all the tower blocks.
Yeah, no, I shoot off down the south coast twice a week, and it normally does a week's wages. Twice a week, just done. The scrap man down there is fussy. Yeah. Honestly, I've been down there. Yeah, oh yeah, the yards, wait, they're terrible. Absolutely terrible. That's paying £100 a tonne. A few months back. I went in there, I had half a van load, and I had a full van load to pick up, so I thought, I'll just dump this here, get it gone. 13 quid. Half a van load.
Hey.
And then the geezer had a go at me because I drove through his stupid red light to get up on his ramp. I was like, hey lads, I've never been here before. He went, yeah, I can tell that, you've just driven through my red light. I went, well, I was sitting there for 5 minutes. I said, if you knew I was sitting at your red light, why don't you change it green? Do you know what I mean? Red lights and that. Exactly that.
Like you say, there's 5 of us boys, plus the other 100 of the other boys.
Yeah.
Plus the 100
Yeah.
I think when we got registered, yeah, with our street collectors license,
Yeah.
they were saying like 30 of us.
Oh,
Like,
well,
actually had license.
well, when I done mine, it was saying like 22.
Right,
So
ready?
yeah, it weren't a lot.
And now there's like over 2,000.
What, that are registered?
Registered in Medway.
What, and that's coming from them, or is that coming from the scrap men that you spoke to? Is that coming from the actual...
Boys, I think
Oh, right, yeah.
and that's what they've said.
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you now, there's more than that out of the public.
Yeah, there's more than that on my road every morning.
All them Bosnians in there now.
Oh, this is not coming out.
They're all scumbags, isn't they?
It is coming out. It cost me about 60 quid. There and back. But
It's not too sad, if you fill it up for it,
if I come back 400 or 500 quid worth of gear, and do you know what? Alright, it's crap in a minute because PVC is such shit money.
Honestly,
There's piles of it.
everywhere.
Piles.
Because 6 months ago, Grandma would have been chucking it on and going, woohoo!
Exactly that.
See all the new PVC plastic, you used to get exported to Germany.
Yeah.
They had the granulator there in Germany. Now, for whatever reason, they shut down that facility.
Yeah.
That's not operating anymore.
So I think they're paying 1.5 here at the minute, aren't they?
Yeah, it's come back up a bit.
Yeah, but it's still. I think when I first started, it was something like 400 quid.
One of the boys has done our firm, he's done a full, done a full van load this morning, one of our big ones.
Yeah.
It come like 100 quid.
Oh, it's not worth
Like
it,
you
is
say,
it?
the piles of it, he's gone around collecting.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's weights of it. Don't worry, I'll go honestly. I've filled this van 3 times, but it ain't worth it. I've already lost my new things. Mate, sorry guys. You know how it is, you can't be rude. All aluminium. Glass. Nah. That's not. What is this coming off of? Probably a. Oh, we'll keep it. We'll try. We should try. No, I won't get ready for this, I know, so I'm not even going to try it. Should have cut that bit of lead off though, really. I've lost my cutters. Oh yeah, there they are. Satellite dishes take up too much room and they don't weigh nothing. Bit of VIR. Aluminium pan. What's under there? Ali. Some of these motorbike shocks. Ali, can I just slide off? Nah. Cable. I'm gonna have to come and have a sweep out after I go to the non-ferrous because I've got too much stuff in here that needs to go. And I don't want it all in my van. I'm putting on my nice clean new fishing gear in here. Right. Let's put this non-ferrous stuff back. Put my new cutters in my pocket. And we'll go and see Sean at the non-ferrous scale. See what we've got. Right. My new Ralphie bag's gone. We might get away with that. We won't, but we'll give it a go. Harmonica, cable. Is it called a harmonica or am I mistaken? Now I know a lot of you think I'm leaving that compressor pot, and I shouldn't be, but at this yard they're not worth a thing. So it's not worth. They're worth less. They're worth less than this. So it is not worth taking them. It really ain't. Right. Is that everything? A bit of alley there. I was going to keep this old stereo. Motorola stereo. It's got a knob missing it. Right. Let's go and see the small scales. See what we can do with all this. I may or may not film this. I might not film it, guys, just because it's hard work. Dig it hard. No, do you know what? I'll film it for you. It's been a long old video already, though. I know that. I feel like I've been over here hours. Should we have a clear out of the van? Keep all the tickets there. Alright, it's a mess. It's an absolute mess. I know. It's disgusting. It really is. But what can you do? What can you do? Oh, I'll tell you what I did pick up earlier from the arse clearance. It's probably nothing, but let's have a quick look. They just look nice. Look like they're worth a few quid. What do you all reckon? They're made. It's made from. So I think it's called RB Limited of England from back in the day. If anyone's an expert or not an expert that knows more than me, it doesn't take a lot, I know, but you know what I mean. What?
Bluetooth connected successfully.
I'm not expecting there to be a lot of money in this non-ferrous stuff I'm taking over. I just want it out of my van. It's very rare that I bother with pots and pans, but as there's quite a few of them, I thought, well, do you know what? Oh, I'll get a couple of kilo out of it, won't I? Can't be listening to that music, it's copyright. On a serious note, if that music stays on, people, I can't continue to record. Yeah, no. I'll bring you back with a ticket. Right, we got it all on the scales. Me and Turbo today. I can't talk long because I've got the radio on and it's copyright. I'll get done. But yeah, that's all that. Alf's just writing out my ticket. I'm gonna go and sweep all this crap out the rest of the van. Put in my bits of copper that I've got here in my bag. Anything decent will go in my bag. My new wire cutters, because they're the daddy-os, aren't they? And then my couple of axes, because I do like them. My new hammer. My harmonica. What else have I got stashed up around there? Penknife. Right, that's it now, because I'm taking everything out of all my little widey holes. I tell you what, So put them in that door pocket. Not that one, I like that one. Yeah, in that door pocket. Let's put that one on that side. It's like a little homemade tool, but I would keep them in that bag. Right, I'll bring you back in a minute and let you know how much money we made. Right guys, not that great today, pretty crap really. 90 quid on the shearing for just over half a tonne. Aluminium, 20 quid. Stainless steel, £5.25. Oh, another bit of aluminium, £1.80. Brass, £17.60. The alley copper rads out, the compressor was £10.56. It hardly seems worth it, all that effort beating them. 6 kilos for motors at £3.48, that's dropped again. And a bit of VIR, £11.28, 161.39. So yeah, pretty pants really. But listen, it's one of them things, isn't it? You have good days and you have bad days. £161 for earnings on a Monday morning ain't that bad. So yeah, I can't complain too much. It is what it is, and it's 3:15. So yeah, like I say, I've had a lot better days, but I've also had a lot worse days. Some days we don't earn any money at all. So again, thanks for watching. Thank you very much for the subscribers, guys. Please keep subscribing if you haven't already. Next target is 100,000. We're only 89,900 and something away. So yeah, by Friday we should be there. Cheers all. See you on the next one.